Hi guys, welcome to DerinsCorner. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my Frejon. Frejon is a delicacy, is a dish that is eaten on Good Friday, usually during the Easter season. It's a bean and coconut milk pudding that is made by Nigerians and Brazilians. The name Frejon actually came from the Portuguese word Feijao, which means beans. Before I go ahead with the recipe, kindly click on the subscribe button if you're yet to do so. And you can also click on the bell sign so you get notified about new videos. So now let's get to the recipe. For Frejon, you need to have your black eyed peas or black beans as well as your coconut milk. You can use fresh coconut or you can use coconut milk from the can. I'm going to be using coconut milk from the can. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to take my already pre-soaked beans. I soaked this overnight yesterday, and I'm going to be putting it in my instant pot. I'm using the instant pot because it reduces my cooking time by roughly about 30 minutes. And this is going to be set to the beans button. I'm going to be using the beans button, and this is of course going to be 30 minutes. So at the end of the 30 minutes, I'm going to be putting off my instant pot. And then, of course, I'm going to slowly release the pressure in my instant pot. So I'm going to be putting this on the venting side of the instant pot. You can see my beans is ready. It's really soft right now. And then the next thing I'll be doing will be to blend this into a smooth paste. Once my base is properly blended, I will be pouring this into my pot, which is already on my gas stove set at medium to low heat. This is set at medium to low heat because you don't want to overburn or burn your beans pudding. I used 1.5 cups of beans for this recipe. I'm going to be opening my can of coconut milk, and then I'm pour this gently into a bowl. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of garlic and 3/4 cup of coconut milk. So that is 1.5 cups of beans to 3/4 cups of coconut milk. Then I'll stir this continuously just to ensure that everything mixes well. And I'll be using 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You just need the salt to taste. And then of course I'll be adding my sugar. That will be 2 tablespoons of sugar. That is what I'm using for this recipe. Once you add everything, you're just going to stir continuously. You just want everything to mix properly. And you allow this to simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes at slow heat. At the end of the 10 to 15 minutes, your Frejon is ready to be served. Usually, Frejon is served with gari, which is cassava flakes, and fish. You can use either smoked fish or dry fish, or you could also use peppered snail. Thank you. I hope you make this recipe for this Good Friday season, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you and have a great day. Happy Easter. Bye.